So I had a subscriber ask me if my homemade cleaning solution works on stains, and I hadn't tried that yet. So, good morning. Yes, it's morning. This is what my hair does, even after I put it up. Anyway, I had a subscriber. Thank you very much. I don't know if I should mention who you are, but you'll know who you are when you see this video, hopefully. She asked me if my cleaning solution that I just posted a video about helps with stains on laundry. And I hadn't even thought about trying that. So we're going to try that together. So here we go. Here's a shirt that I wear to bed. So I don't really care about the stain, but I thought it'd be a good shirt because if it ruins the shirt, I don't care. If it helps, great. But it's good shirt to practice on. So let's check this out. Well, first, if you notice something, my cleaning solution is almost empty. So now you get to see how I put it in the bottle. And again, I've mentioned before that this is from another cleaning product that I tried and I didn't like, and that's why. It all stuck to the inside of the bottle, and the cleaning product didn't seem to work very well because I have a feeling the active ingredient is the stuff stuck to the bottle, which probably is like baking soda or something because it was a natural cleaner. So I think I have some left, and if I find it, I will share it to show you what not to get. So I thought I ran out of the other jars I had made this cleaning solution with, and here's one that I found. It's been soaking for a long time, so it's probably a really strong solution, but I dilute it with water. So okay, so now we're going to pour this into here. I have a funnel so I don't spill. And if you hear noise, that's how windy it is where I'm living right now. That just, whew, that's strong. It goes right in there. And then okay. Now, we fill it with some water. And it also rinses out my funnel. And there is my new batch of cleaning product. And here's a DIY for you. This is from a dollar store water bottle or plastic bottle because I've had to replace this. Came like this, but these wear out. So I spent lots of money on these glass jars, and this plastic spray nozzle lasts longer than this one. So it's not always more is better. So there is my cleaner. And that should last me a couple weeks or so. Okay, let's see what it does. Sorry about the wobbly camera. My carpal tunnel is a little more active today. So there's the stain. There's this is a pajama shirt that I love. And it was about to go in the laundry, so I thought I would try it. So we're going to spray the stain. Okay. Let's see. So we're going to come back in a little while, see if that stain has changed. Rub it in. I don't know if the color from the citrus will stain it more or not. We'll find out. I also know that you can take a bar of ivory soap, and that often takes the stains out. When I do have a stain, that's usually what I do. It's my old go-to for stains. But we're going to see if my subscriber has the intuition that this might work. Okay, I gave it a few minutes. I'm a little worried it's going to eat through the shirt, but not much of a change. I don't know if that's creating extra stains. So I'm going to throw it in the washer. We'll see what happens when it comes out. So it's in the washer, ready to go. This is my washing machine. I did put a washing machine in my mobile home many years ago when I was more able-bodied, me and my mother and my ex-husband. We cut open this closet. It was a linen closet. Huge linen closet. Didn't have that much linens to store in there. So my husband built my ex-husband, let me clarify that. My ex built a shelf there, and he built a platform down there. I've had to modify it a few times. So, and my mom and I got this cut open, wide enough to put the washer in. We built a little shelf there for stuff, pet stuff now. And there's a shelf back there, but I've had to add to it to repair it because it kept falling in, and it's mostly to keep the cats from getting back there because they were climbing up in there and going down in there and getting stuck. So, safety. Yeah, so that is in my bathroom. It's a little heater. And when I want to hang up laundry inside, I have clotheslines. Another frugal thing I do. See, there's a sweater. It's dry now. I need to take that down. And my hangers, and I can hang my laundry. Yeah, saves money and the environment. So there is the sweater. You could check out my other videos on that stuff. But there's the sweater. And I need to add a couple more things to make a load, and then we'll see how this sweater comes out after the wash and dry. All right. And since we're on the subject of laundry, now you see I filled the washing machine. I'm going to put in the soap. So I've been buying this from Thrive Market. I really like it, but it's getting a little expensive. And since I have to cut back with my finances, I have another solution. So rather than using a whole scoop of this, I make my own, and shake it up. Because something I discovered is when you put baking soda directly into the clothes, it stays powdery. Yeah. So I discovered if you mix it with water, and I put a little tiny bit of my hypoallergenic body wash in there, give it a little more soap. So I'm going to transition from using this to using this as my only laundry detergent eventually. So I'm trying to sort of recreate my own version of this stuff. So I'm experimenting while I still have this and making this. Okay. So I have to shake this up really good because it settles. And then I pour some in here. And so rather than using a whole scoop, I just use half. And that is ready to go. We will check the sweater in a few hours. Okay, so I have washed the shirt, and here it is, the stain. So the answer to my subscriber's question as to whether my homemade cleaner gets rid of stains. Now this stain is really old. It's probably been there for a couple years. So I don't know if a fresh stain would be, if it would take out a fresher stain. It seems like it faded it just a little bit. So it seemed to have some effect on it, but I'm not sure what kind of stain this is. So, and it might depend on the stain. So, you kind of see where some of the spray was here, and it did discolor it a little bit. So maybe not citrus, because the orange, I think, went in here. And that's okay. This is a good test shirt. I sort of didn't expect it would take that stain out, but I thought it would be a good test. So there's the answer. My homemade spray does not remove stains. Now I do dilute it with some water, so maybe if it was stronger, I'm not sure. And I'm not sure how old the stain or how fresh the stain would need to be. So maybe I'll have to try a fresher stain and see if that works differently.